Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be talking about beauty boxes, and this whole video is gonna be about
beauty boxes.
I have done one video in the past. What I like to do in this kind of video is I go through the name and prices, and I go through each and every item, just saying you what box is that and what item did you actually get for the month
of February. That would be it.
I have 4 boxes here, which will lead me through 20 items, and
who knows how long is it gonna take if I go through each and everything.
so guys, these are these month boxes. Since you guys know which boxes are here and how this video is gonna go, let's just start. So the very first box I'm gonna be talking about is for this month, I guess, is called Honest Beauty. This is supposed to be a Target beauty box, and this box retails for $7 per month, no shipping charge. And previously the Target beauty box included mix of skincare, hair care, and makeup product. This month they have included just one brand, which is the Honest Beauty. I don't know how long this is gonna be, or is it just for this month. So this is what inside the box. You have 5 items with the $5 off Honest Beauty coupon. So let's just jump inside this box. I'm not gonna say the name Honest Beauty because
I'm gonna be repeating that word, so I'm just gonna say the name, what the product is.
So the very first product is a tube container, which is refreshingly clean gel cleanser, and this weighs around 1 ounce. And apparently you don't have any price at all. I didn't do my research, so you guys are just stuck with the name. And the second one is Everything Organic Facial Oil, which comes in a very small amount, which is only 0.016 ounce. The third item is Younger Face Deep Hydration Cream, which weighs around 0.17 ounce. So moving on to the fourth one, which is Think Primer Luminous Base, and this weighs around 0.33 ounce. And lastly, in this box we have this makeup item, which is Invisible Blurring Powder, and this weighs around 0.09 ounce. So what do I think about this box for this month? It's okay, it's just $7, and I think you are getting what you're paying for. Moving on to the beauty box number 2, which is technically not a box, but it's a makeup bag, which is none other than IPSY Beauty Bag. So this is what this month's bag looked like. It kind of matches my nail polish. I really love their bags every month. Some month it's and decent. Some month it's really cool and I really love it. This month it's okay. I have seen better bags. I have seen the worst, so I'm on a fence right here. So let's just zip it open and see what's inside. This bag retails for $10 per month, and there is no shipping charge at all. In fact, IPSY bag was one of my first subscription beauty bag ever, and the subscription addiction just kept on going. We match, like we literally match. See, kind of plan, and it looks like we kind of planned this whole video with this bag. So the only thing kind of bugs me in, but not so much, about this bag is when they put in the item, they don't tell you what item or what kind. Some item you can guess, but sometimes you're into new thing and you really got no idea what is that. So the very first thing I saw in this bag is this bright yellow thing, which looked like a yo-yo to me, if you guys know what I'm talking about. But this is a bubble macaroon. Oh, it does looks like a macaroon now. So this is Bubble Tea Macaroon Lip Balm, Bath and Body Essential Oil. What a nice. I like the smell. I think the concept is really cool, but at the same time the packaging is so cheap, like a plasticky. But I think the product inside is good. I can just smell and say it. So the second product I have is Ofra. I like it. Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick, IPSY Unzipped. Wow, I didn't know IPSY actually collabed with Ofra. So moving on. So the third item I have is Z Skin Winter Skin Hydrating Spray, and this weighs around 15 ml. So the fourth item we have is a mini eye pencil. I really don't know how to say their name. I'm not even gonna try or pretend I know it. This is like IPSY's frequent brand too. And last but not the least, we have a makeup brush, which is a large angle contour brush, and it's from the brand Farah, and the color is purple, and it's very soft too.
No, sir!
Not the smell though.
Smell is...
What do I think about IPSY bag? I think it's worth your every penny on your $10, and you get so cute bag every month. And the third box is BOXYCHARM. And BOXYCHARM is also one of my favorite beauty boxes, which retails for $21 per month, and there is no shipping charge at all. I'm gonna open this box and you know how the drill goes. BOXYCHARM always have a theme for every month. So this month theme is Galaxy Glow, which means they have more glowy items, glowy products. And the best part about BOXYCHARM is they have all the price included in this card every month. Since we did the brush at the end for IPSY, I'll be doing first for BOXYCHARM. This is Crown Pro Trio Brush Set, which retails for $29.99. This box retails for $21, and you see what I'm talking about? Why I love BOXYCHARM. Moving on to the second one, this is Vintage Cosmetic Smoky Eye Pencil, and this is worth for $21. And the third item is per the Complexion Authority X-Fall Lips Plumping Lip Exfoliator, which retails for $17. And this smells kind of nice too. The fourth one I have is Cover FX Shimmer Veil, and this retails for $28. I'm not so sure if this is supposed to be the full size, but the card says this is supposed to retail for $28. Last but not the least, we have from Ofra Cosmetic. Honestly, I am so excited for this. And this is a pop-up palette mini, and this retails for $19. And this is blush, which retails for $12. So cool is it? You have the whole box price on this item. This is more like a Z palette, and this is like a refillable thing. So cool is this? I really love this month's BOXYCHARM. It's a very good deal for this month. And moving on to the very last box for today is the Glossy Box. I really like the concept for this month, and
we kind of match. We're 20 again with my
this is what this month's box look inside. Do you see that? This is so cute. Look at the card. It's like a postcard. Glossy Box also come up with every little detail and price of the product inside. This is what inside of the box look like, and this is a pore green tea mud sheet mask, and this is supposed to retail for $5. Moving on to the second item, this is Luxy Beauty ONYX Nior Small Tapered Blending 231 Brush, and this is a full size retailing for $16. And the third item is Royal Apothic Scrubble Exfoliating Lip Treatment, and this is a full size retailing for $14, and this weigh around 0.63 ounce. 63 ounce. Moving on, we have is a Dolce Lip Wear Lip Gloss, and this is a full size which retails for $24, and it weighs around 0.20 ounce. And the last two items I have is from the same brand, which is John Masters Organic. This is a body wash, and this is a body milk, and the price of this both is same, which is $650. So guys, that was it for this video. That was all the boxes and all the items, and I will be back again with next video. Till then, bye.